12:26 here, almost halfway through the noon hour, and the day not getting any sunnier. It looks like the clouds and a little bit of drizzle will be around today. Not much drizzle left. Most of it was this morning, but I think most of this afternoon probably just clouds. Cool weather continues through Thanksgiving. We're not expecting much of a warm up. It might be a few degrees warmer, but still a lot of low clouds probably keeping temperatures down. It should be warmer by the weekend. Saturday and Sunday do look like very nice days, although another cold front will be trying to move through Sunday to drop temperatures by Monday and Tuesday of next week. Right now it's stuck in the 50s, and if you were up this morning, it was maybe like 4 or 5 degrees cooler in most areas. It's barely warmed up today and may only warm a couple more degrees at best this afternoon. So it's 54 in Weslaco, 56 in Harlingen, and 57 in Brownsville and Port Isabel. And temperatures being held down with the low clouds and still a little north breeze blowing. Not strong, but light wind. It's increasing a little bit near the coast. I think the winds will increase kind of a little bit tonight and tomorrow near the coast. So if you are going to be on the waters or at the beach, there'll be a bit more of a breeze blowing. But right now, about a 10 to 20 mile per hour breeze around, mainly in the lower valley. This evening, still, if you're out, I might go for a run this evening. As long as that drizzle stays away, I don't want to run in the rain. But I think it will be dry late this afternoon and this evening in most areas. Still around 55 degrees at 7 o'clock, 53 at 11 p.m., and kind of holding in the low 50s late tonight. Still some spotty drizzle may return with a better chance of some showers at times tomorrow. You can see the little blots of green there indicating the drizzle mostly dissipating now, but the low clouds are still in place. There will be an area of low pressure offshore forming. That may be enough to kick in a few showers our way tomorrow and Thanksgiving. So that's why rain chances may be going back up again, but no heavy rainfall, at least for most of tomorrow. I think we will see some steadier showers, though, form. I'll show you future track rainfall amounts, which tries to show a few bursts of some heavier rain. But right now, this is future track this afternoon. Clouds, some spotty drizzle, all gray skies through this afternoon and this evening. By tomorrow, you notice we start off dry early in the morning, but scattered showers start to pop up as the day goes on. Probably not heavy at any one time, but just showers off and on may eventually add up into maybe a quarter to half an inch of rain in some spots if it does get persistent where you live. And future track kind of keeps the showers more persistent at the coast and in the lower valley over Cameron and Wilsey County. So probably those areas will have the best chance of rain and the best chance of more than a quarter of a half an inch if it does occur. By Thanksgiving, you notice we start to gradually lose the showers, but during the afternoon and evening by turkey time or whatever you call it, and into the evening leftover time, 7 p.m., most areas kind of drying out. I think there will still be some sprinkles and maybe some drizzle or so in the evening, but not a lot of rain by then. But probably Wednesday is your best chance of rain, Wednesday into about Thursday morning. Future track does have very little rain through tomorrow morning. It shows only a couple hundredths of an inch or so. Notice on Wednesday, though, it starts to add up a little more rain, especially in Cameron and Wilsey County. Some of these blue areas indicating maybe more than a half an inch on Wednesday, and that includes most of Cameron and Wilsey counties. It shows even up to an inch possible now in Brownsville. It might be a little on the high side, so, but still, I think these areas of Cameron and Wilsey counties have the best chance to get wet on Wednesday into early Thursday. But after that, we don't add much on the rest of the day. So again, I think the high point of the rain is tomorrow night, and maybe through sunrise Thursday morning. Thursday, though, rain chance still at 60% for the entire day, and highs only near 60 degrees. If you get stuck in enough clouds and showers, it may not get out of the upper 50s with, again, the better chances of rain near the coast. And if you are traveling, Laredo, 55 on Wednesday, 62 on Thursday, but mainly dry. Corpus Christi could have some rain at times on Wednesday, but cool in the 50s and 60s. San Antonio mainly dry and in the 50s and 60s, and Houston near 61 on Wednesday and Thanksgiving Day, and dry weather. It is drier the farther north you drive from the valley tomorrow if you are headed to the north. First 1570 forecast, cool, cloudy, some showers around at times. Mainly tomorrow is your best chance for rain. Highs in the 50s today and tomorrow. 60 on Thanksgiving, and still maybe some showers, especially in the morning. Could be a little breezy at the coast the next few days. Friday, we start to break out of the clouds by afternoon. Highs back above 70. Notice, though, Saturday and Sunday by far are the nicest days in terms of some sunshine getting through and warmer weather. Highs could be around 81. There is another cold front coming in late Sunday. It may start to pick up the winds a bit, though, so by Monday morning it cools off, and Monday we only may be back to around 70, and Tuesday could be a little cooler, too, if you're thinking into early next week. We'll also show you the longer range forecast coming up to cover kind of the early next week period in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.